So me and a friend have pretty much identical setups. His engine is a KLDE engine in a what is it? In a Mazda Protege, I believe, and mine's in the MX-6. But we've both got a KLDE engine. We're running the same injectors, running the same wideband sensors, same turbo. We're running the same ECU, same version made by the same people. Both MS2 version V3.1, both made by Stratified. They're both plug and play. And so here's comparing our two tunes. The maps are pretty much the same. There's just, there's some difference in launch control because I've got mine set up and he doesn't. The ignition timing difference, timing for fixed advance, but is different, but we're not using that. Spark latency, I don't know what difference that makes, but I'll probably change that to his. His setup runs, my car will not start. Let's see, the rev limiter's a little bit different. Overrun fuel cut is a little different. Over boost protection is a little different. The cranking RPMs and flood clear throttle position are a little different. But other than that, that's pretty much the exact same thing. I've tried loading his tune on my car, and it will not even, start. I can't seem to get this car to start. But yeah, that's sort of the problem I'm running into. Another friend of mine who's running the same ECU on a little different setup on an MX-3 with a KLDE, got different size injectors though, is on his car you have to jumper the fuel pump on the diagnostic relay, because otherwise, and that allows the fuel pump to prime whenever the key is turned on. He says that might be my problem. I'm going to check and mess with that, but apparently his car will not run with that without the fuel pump jumpered like that, because the Megasquirt will not control the fuel pump arming or whatever, apparently. So I'm hoping it's something as simple as that, because I've compared this tune to 3 other people's tunes and it seems pretty much exactly the same. So I don't really know why the car won't be starting. If you guys got any tips, let me know.